Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody, wherever you are. Because in today's webinar we have presence from uh, different territories, different regions. So, um, first of all, this is Murlidhar Remne here from business side. I welcome you all for this today's webinar on integrated hospital management solution by Crave InfoTech. Uh, I will be opening up the session and moderating the session, and we have with us Kalpana Parekh, who is our subject matter expert and product owner of this Crave IHMS solution. So, before starting the solution details and the demo, I just wanted to take this opportunity to take you through a couple of minutes about briefing about the organization, who we are, what we do. So, um, so this is about Crave Infotech. We are operational from last 13 years, started in 2007. Right from our inception, we are closely associated with SAP for build, sale, service, all kind of partnerships. Um, we have headquartered in New Jersey and physical presence in USA, India, and Brazil and Africa. And from these physical bases, we are operating with our global customers, especially with North America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. So, along with SAP, we are also partnered with Zebra. Zebra is one of the renowned name in global name in mobile computing devices for manufacturers for industry. So we are ISV as well as reseller partner of Zebra. We are also ISV and reseller partner of Here Technologies for geo enablement solutions. So we are ISO 9000 certified organization as mentioned over here. Um, and if you look at right hand side, these are the industry focus. These are the industries we are catering to through our various solutions and services. Healthcare, life science, and pharmaceutical. We have multiple solutions over there for those industries. And apart from that, as mentioned over here, utilities, oil and gas, manufacturing, consumer products, and engineering. These are some of the focus industries. So this is in this slide we have mentioned what we do. If you look at left hand side, we work on SAP Intelligent Enterprise, SAP ECC, S4HANA services, implementation, support, and customization wherever requirement is there. SAP Cloud Platform. Then we have our own prepackaged solutions. I'm briefing you on that. And as mentioned, Zebra and Here Technology Association. So right hand side, if you look at, we are these are our focus areas. Along with healthcare segment, we are also having really unique solutions for warehouse management, enterprise asset management automation, and field supply chain. So along with this, we work on AI, RPA. These are some of the key services. So this is the complete portfolio of the organization. Um, as I mentioned, being associated with closely associated with SAP, all these solutions they get integrated with SAP easily, and they are all are available on SAP App Center as well. Sarup, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, you're audible perfectly.
Yeah. Yeah. So um, in this chain diagram you will see we are working with multiple industries, and we are catering to various functionalities, whether it is enterprise asset management. We have multiple modules or applications there, right from breakdown, preventive, calibration, planning, scheduling, planning workbench. This, of course, from industry point of view. Then in supply chain, we have digital solutions for complete warehouse management, including inbound, outbound, stock transfer, stock returns, everything. Then DSD, direct store delivery, it is a requirement, especially during this pandemic situation, requirement of every industry, where you want to reduce wherever possible the human intervention, and also you want to reduce the complete paper activity whenever you are serving to your customers. Then vendors automation through vendor connect. We also have customer side automation in C order, sales order management, or customer portal. We also have applications for management dashboards in which management can easily have access to the KPIs, the analytics, various reports, and also there are application for project monitoring and change control management. We also have multiple approvals application in one go, because this is again need of key stakeholders of the organization when they are on the go business, having business on the go, like approvals for PR, PO, then invoices, then work orders, sales orders, and so on. So um, along with that, we are also covering the HCM, human capital management, wherein there are a couple of applications like employee performance, then onboarding, learning and development of the employees, and IT declaration. And with this, as today's subject, we are also having really good solutions on healthcare industry for EMR, IHMS, Medibilling, Medbilling, and C clinical. So these are the modules and applications we have. Coming to today's topic, as I mentioned, our we being associated with SAP, our this IHMS solution is we have developed this solution on SAP B1, and so I thought to put up some key facts about SAP penetration, SAP healthcare penetration in globally. If you look at there are almost more than 7,000 plus healthcare implementations they have across globe in various countries, and these statistics will show you, it is very interesting statistics. Actually, 7 out of 10 best hospitals in the world, or 25 out of 25 medical schools, best medical schools, universities, then top research institutes, you will see the complete penetration by SAP in this IHMS segment. So this slide will also again brief you on the credentials. You will see some really good brands over there who are standardized their uh, complete ERP with SAP B1. Um, and again, 7,100 healthcare customers, and they are some of the major brands out of this. So since this is a B1 solution, this slide will brief you about the complete picture of B1, the penetration of B1 as a product, okay, or as a platform, I'll say. They are fourth largest global software company. Then they're having 53,000 plus SAP B1 customers, and rest of the statistics is about the country localization, 42 country localizations, then 300 plus partners, 500 plus solutions. So this is the complete comprehensive ERP platform by SAP, on which we have developed our solution. So this is the value driven by SAP. You, if you look at the integrated framework in which you can see the various functionalities, accounting, whether it is accounting, purchase, assets, billing, so everything on single platform for end-to-end process of IHMS. You will find it on the on premise, it is on demand, I mean it's on the cloud, it is serving on integrated with various APIs. The product is available on mobile, it is on tab, desktop. So in a way, SAP has provided the complete flexibility and scalability and ease of accessibility of the solution. Coming to the IHMS solution, before starting our demo and brief, I just wanted to discuss with you what we understand out of this, our interactions from IHMS customers from quite long. So these are the challenges we understand from market. There is a lack of single integrated solution we see when to digitalize the complete hospital process. There is a lack of single solutions for end-to-end process, and so it is always difficult to have the centralized data, or whenever it is a single hospital or group of hospital. So group level dashboards is again the difficulty of the stakeholders, because when you have multiple branches, multiple operations, you need to have all the consolidated dashboard at one place, and this is major difficulty for the IHMS customers or hospitals when they are operating with current solutions. Then NABH or NHIF guidelines. Okay, so IHMS. So the you expect the product should have these working with those guidelines, National Accreditation Board Hospital Management. So there is access, assessment, and continuity of which we say AAC, or management of medication or care of patient. So how portal can be mapped with these expectations, right? So this is one of the difficulty at marketplace. Then data should be centralized location, so that research become easy, because you need to do a lot of research on the historic data as well. And of course the stock and supply chain, okay, management of the entire activity. This is again the major difficulty in current applications, available current applications. Today this is the world of mobile era, and we need to have our solution mobile enabled. Most of the solutions at marketplace do not have mobile component, so this is again one of the difficulty. Then missing data or inappropriate data accuracy or security of the data, this is very much important, because you have all the database of the customers, their medical history, everything. So these all points are very important when we look at the IHMS solution. Then again, what we observed is current systems are not very well equipped to handle the emergency situation, such as the accidents or natural calamities. Wherein we can provide better patient services to patient. Okay, there is also this is again one of the important point is a patient portal, because today patient also they expect to put up all the data wherever they can see their medical records. They can take the uh, references, or they can talk to other the doctors, get and so the data has to be available in handily available for them. Okay, at the same time it should be available for the line of treatment for further diagnosis. um, then meaningful healthcare dashboards, this is again you have dashboard, but what analysis you have, are we having right dashboards and right report for the use of the data. And tracking real-time position of the ambulance, this is again because at emergencies we need to know where are the ambulance and how much time it will take to take the patient to bed. So these are some of the limitations of the solutions what we have at marketplace, and these are the challenges faced by industry. With this, we would like to present our IHMS solution, Crave Integrated Hospital Management Solution, and I request Kalpana to share her screen and present the solution. Thank you.
Thank you, Murli.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. So, as Murli said, I will walk you through the highlights of this IHMS solution, which is a SAP certified application and built inside SAP B1 solution. It is globally, SAP V1 is globally proven ERP system across the globe. The solution is available on cloud and premise as well. So basically, the solution would be replacing your all multiple legacy systems from accounts, administration, billing, CRM, purchase, multi-location. So there is a branch feature. There is an intercompany feature as well. If you have a multiple branch or multiple, the hospital entity, then you can. This solution is available for that as well. And apart from that, patient management, which will be covering from registration to the billing with the analytics reports, ambulance tracking, and mobility solutions. So many more solutions we have taken out on the mobile platform uh, wherever it is required. For example, for the doctor cannot be at one place. So for that, we have a mobile solution, which is extended solution to this IHMS solution. And through that, doctor can have access to his or her patient records from anywhere and anytime. So this is streamlined paperless process. This is, as I said, it is integrated. So data is flowing from one department to another smoothly, so that respective user can, work on those tasks. Adaptable, scalable, flexible architecture, since it is built inside SAP B1, and B1 is globally proven system. Remote connectivity enabled. As I said, branch location, branch feature is available, intercompany feature is available. So remote connectivity enabled for integrating multiple locations of the hospital or different government hospital. It is designed to address all possible patient care scenarios, uh, and for the government hospital, primary healthcare centers. Apart from that, peripheral product, we have a maintenance hospital equipment module, so which would be through which you can manage preventive, predictive breakdown. Live chat is available, something like WhatsApp or that kind of a feature already SAP has given, which is we call live chat. You do not need to mail, or you do not need to use external chat feature module or app. This is inbuilt live chat feature is there. Email, fax, SMS connectivity. This is for information exchanges, ICD 10, and with the Indian and Africa, quality standards. Seamless integration with all the possible or required hospital equipments. For example, PAC solution. RFID, if you want, you can have RFID for your patient, and barcode enablement for the for the item issue and return. Uh, the solution is available on SQL and HANA. So business analytical tools, it is basically provided by SAP. So your IT team can use that tool and create or generate reports and dashboards and KPIs. So this is a very user-friendly tool, and very easy to use it with a minimum knowledge of your coding. Data integrity, security, and accessibility, these are all the safeguards are with this solution. And as I said already, it is available on premise and on cloud. Latest version is patch level 9.10, patch level 4. So this is available, the solution is available from 9.1 onward. And as I said, it is available on HANA and cloud as well. So this is the list of models. Almost 38 to 40 models are available with the system, from the back office, where your accounts, procurement process, inventory, administration part, and the front end side from patient registration, doctor module, appointment scheduling, laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, blood bank, ward management, operation theater management, ICU, If you have an ambulance, then you can track those ambulance as well. A nursing station, laundry, diet, canteen management. So almost whatever modules are required to run end-to-end business of hospital, those are all modules are available with the system. As I said now, to see data on mobile and tablet. So for that, for the mobile users, we have made few modules available on tablet and mobile. Those are the like housekeeping, laundry. So housekeeping users, those are mobile users, they need to check and monitor. So for that, these are the solutions that are available on tablet, so they can carry tablet and they can work on this housekeeping task. Same with the equipment maintenance. Wherever there is a complaint, they can just move with the tablet and perform the task, complete the task and status update. So these are the mobile apps are available. Equipment maintenance, asset inspection, housekeeping, laundry, electronic charts we have provided in the nursing station. Now almost 40 charts are out there based on the different specialty and for the department required. Quality control, patient tracking within the hospital. If you would like to know where is this patient, then with this you can track patient and you can quickly find out where is the location. And with that also you can improve the service as well, like how much time you know spent in this particular department, or how much time we had to um, provide any service. So those kind of parameters or indicators, this quality control models will show you. This will help to improve your patient service. Integration with TPA and insurance company. For the Africa, we have already integrated this with a smart card, and this has been used almost from the last 4 years by our one of our customer who is in Kenya. So tightly, smooth integration with the smart card, we have already done it. And for the India, this integration is available for the TPA and insurance company as well. Equipment integration, drug interactions. So for the India, it is SIMS, right? So that integration is already available. If you take a subscription, then this will be available in the system. Patient thumb impression. This is something new to avoid duplicate data in system, even though there are multiple search parameters already are in the system. But to tighten that process, recently we have introduced this thumb impression, where patient will come and while doing registration, once you take that thumb impression, it will be stored in the data, and whenever patient comes back, you just need to request patient for the thumb impression, and automatically that data would be available for the next process. NABH, this is something for the India we have, and for the Africa we have NHIF. So this is the architecture. Here you can see on top SAP B1 modules from CRM, customer relationship management, procurement, inventory, sales, finance. Almost 13 modules are there. Asset management, banking, and this is the on top. You can see SAP B1 back office modules. Left side you can see the patient care application, which will be taking care of patient management, insurance, and billing. Very left side, you can see the lab integration, electronic prescription online, PACS integration, smart card integration, and claim management. This is all integration is available with the system. Middle section, as I said, a few models as per the requirement, we are making it available on mobile platform. So EMR is for the doctor. We have this application. Patient portal is available. So if you have a website, then we can just make that patient portal available, and from your website this will be redirected to this patient portal, so your patient can visit to your website and take an appointment, book an appointment, reschedule, cancel, and also they can see the medical history. Obviously, as per your requirement, what data do you want to show to your patient online. So that is something you can decide. So based on your requirement, you can show that data on online to the patient, so that they can just download their clinical records from online itself. So this is the patient portal. We have hospital equipment inspection, ambulance tracking. As I said, this is available on mobile platform. Right side, you can see there are the payroll, cafeteria management, asset tracking. If you have ambulance, then this is a very good solution through which you can track your ambulance. You can find out which is the nearest ambulance if in case there is emergency. If you receive a call from your patient relatives, then you can quickly identify where that ambulance is, and you can provide a service to your patient. Specialties and document management. So almost 48 modules are available, and this solution is available on SQL and also on HANA DB. BI analytical tools, multiple different tools are there. And as I said, it is very user friendly. Your IT team can design those analytical tools by just dragging and dropping, fields. You can generate your own reports. So this is the basically a healthcare solution architecture. Now I will move to the next screen. With this integrations, you can integrate with PAC system, smart card, kiosk. If you have a more footfall to manage patient queue, then you can have kiosk system in your premise, so that patient can just walk in, do the registration with minimum field, schedule an appointment there itself, and wait for his queue number, token number. So for that, you can have the kiosk system barcode, that is for your item, issue and return, lab machines integration, biometric, token display. Everywhere you can have a token display for the OPD, so that patient you can manage token patient queue, RFID for your patient, and scanning. So and many more tablets. As I said, it is available on tablet and mobile. So basically, this is something like through which you can do the real-time monitoring. You can boost your productivity, and manage, provide better service to your patient. This is basically about the connectivity with the business network. If you have a number of multiple legacy system, and if you are looking forward to keep it, and for that, question is that whether you can do the third party integration with the SAP B1. So answer to this, yes, we can do it. Even though within SAP B1 also, within SAP systems, for example, SAP ECC or SAP S4, and SAP by design, if different kind of SAPs are there, then that also you can do the integration. There is an integration framework. By default, it is available, provided by the SAP, through which we can do the integration within the system and with the third-party applications as well. Branch management. If you have a multiple branch, so there is a module, or there is a feature available with SAP B1 where you can manage your business by branch. So automatic allocation of the transaction to a branch, accounting and a financial report per branch you can see, and you can see the consolidated as well. So basically, this is a comprehensive integrated business functionality provided through the branch feature. These are some of the slides we have for the patient portal, how the patient portal looks like. So for example, if you have your own website, so what we can do, we can just redirect from there to the patient portal, so that your patient can visit your website, and as well as they can take a appointment and see the medical history. This is the appointment portal. This is something like when patient is calling to the hospital. In that case, the receptionist quickly she can find out which doctors are available, how many slots are available, and based on the specialty, she can filter that data. Based on the doctor, she can filter, and quickly she can identify which slot is available. And based on the patient requirement, she can schedule an appointment. She can also maintain the waiting list for the particular doctor if all the slots are full. So This is something like you can schedule an appointment, you can see the appointment history, you can see the patient payment history. So these are the very features that are available with this appointment portal. Doctor EMR, so doctor can, remotely can access patient data and quickly provide the service. I will just quickly move because many more modules are there and many more features are there. And with So this is a relationship map. Now always there is a question, like, always you need to search for many more documents, if it is clinical or if it's financial. So we have provided relationship mapping feature where once patient enter, so for that visit, whatever documents has been posted in the system, through this relationship mapping feature, you can just track all the documents. You can view it here. For example, this is the patient, and you can see all the documents, whatever documents have been posted. In one glance, you can see all those documents. If you would like to see the particular document, you just need to double click and you can see those that particular document detail. So tracking all the documents related to that particular visit with the one glance, you can do it like this. Patient tracking, as I said, once patient enter, you can check how much time he has to spend in that particular department, and right now where he is. So that kind of a this way, hospital can, improve service. Have hospital can see how they can improve the service, and at the same time, you can track the patient where it is. Ambulance management, this is a peripheral product which we have. This is how the you can track your ambulances. You can see which is nearby. If patient calls, then you can check which ambulance is nearby to that location. Warehouse management, you can do the barcode integration. This is new feature we have now recently, launched, which is DSD, door to deliver. So if in case your patient, senior citizens, right? So patient comes and you provide service, and for the pharmacy items, rather than coming to your hospital to collect that item, or instead of that, nearest pharmacy centers can see your advised drugs, and from there your senior citizen can pick it up. So these kind of multiple features are available with the direct store delivery. So as per your requirement, we can map that process and provide this feature. Accounting and financial, chart of account, whatever is required for the accounting and financial, available with the SAP B1. For example, multiple currency cost centers, budgeting, fixed asset, payments, payment wizards are there, document printing. Up to 10, you can maintain charts, chart of account over here with the SAP B1. Accounting, so this is something like a process flow. As per the user role and requirement, you can map the process, basically workflow, you can say. You can map it and make it available for the user, so that they do not need to move. They can just directly go to that particular process, click on that document and start working on it. So these kind of workflows we can design in the SAP B1. Healthcare report stacks. There are the different kind of reports are there: clinical analytics, regulatory reporting, financial analytics, patient care, home care, mental health care. So this is something like based on the specialty also, we can have the reports. These are the all real-time reporting. Once the patient register, invoice been posted, then all everything is real time. You can check the revenue, expense, since. So this is a seamless user experience. So all the reports, different kinds of KPIs, dashboard, crystal reports, features are available with this. Role-based, as I said, based on the user role and requirement, you can design their dashboards. It's uh, a very beautiful feature, very nice feature provided by SAP. Cash flow forecasting. So real-time data would be available. So you can see the cash flow day to day. Patient care reporting. This is something one sample report we are showing here, but this kind of a reports you can complex report we can develop as per your requirement. So basically here you can see monthly trend. How is the trend from the January to December? Then which patient distribution for the IPD, OPD, occupancy, your IPD occupancy. Who are your top physicians? Who are your top specialties? So these are just example, but this kind of interactive graphic with a graphical presentation, you can create the reports, dashboards. Almost in this system, more than 300 plus reports are available. Key performance indicator, you can set your limit, and accordingly KPIs would show you whether it is in a negative or in a positive. So now let me move to the process flow. So this is high level OPD process flow, what how this system works and how this is tightly integrated with with all the department. OPD process flow appointment. So as I said, you can have a kiosk in your premise so that patient can just walk in and do the registration and wait for the token number. Or patient can call by phone, and receptionist can quickly take an appointment, and patient portal is there available, which should be available on your website so that patient can just browse and schedule an appointment through your website, hospital website. Token generation followed by patient will be coming to the registration counter. Already registration already have been done, so remaining information would be process would be completed over here. Patient creation, consultation amount would be collected, payment would be done over here, followed by patient would be moved to the triage or nursing section, where nurse will capture vitals and other if any previous old documents, she can just scan it and make it available for the doctor reference. So there is attachment feature is there, followed by doctor will record clinical information and advice for the prescription. So once doctor prescribe online, all the instruction, all the service request will be available on respective department screen. For example, doctor advice for the drug, automatically that request would be available on the pharmacy screen, where patient has to just visit to pharmacy and share his name, and through that pharmacist can just search the record and see that okay, this is something doctor has advised. So it is completely paperless and seamless process. Once doctor advice, it goes to the respective department, and the respective department can see okay, these are the patients are expected to visit, and accordingly they can be ready. And once patient visit, they just need to check request for the name, and through that they can identify the record and provide the service. So for the pharmacy, quotation if there is required, then billing if there is advance payment feature, and dispensing. For the nurse, minor surgery or vaccination, if there is advance billing, so you can see this billing is, you can collect in advance or you can collect after performing the service. So that way billing you can configure it. So as per requirement, we can map that process. If it is advanced, then collect the advance and perform the service and dispense it. Same with the radiology and pathology and operation theater as well. So this is the OPD flow. I will now quickly move to the IPD. So for the IPD, a little bit different flow. Since patient is on bed, he has been admitted, and if he has any insurance or corporate, then while discharging that patient, you would be going for the billing, final billing. So both the way you can collect advance payment, you can collect the deposit, and end up the while discharging, you can go for the final billing. Rest of the process is same. Only difference is that there are a couple of models we have introduced. For example, nursing station. So there are many more features with the nursing station. And the radiology, pathology, operation, nursing station, you can see here, blood bank is there, laundry management is there. So whatever is required for the IPD, those models will be available for the IPD patient flow. So this is how the SAP looks like. If I log in, you can see here administration to the almost, purchase, sales, banking, inventory, service. So almost 13 modules are available with the SAP. And in addition to that, there is a hospital management solution where you can see the masters uh, and the transactions. So in transaction, you can see patient registration, OPD, IPD. In IPD, there is a doctor module, ward management, nursing station, operation theater. Then we have a pathology, radiology, pharmacy. So almost 48 modules are here. And if you look at, once you log in, you can see this is user dashboard. So based on, as I said, user's role and responsibility, you can define, his dashboard. And user itself, he can change his dashboard. It is not something like once designed, you cannot change. You yourself can change this dashboard. There is a feature provided by SAP. You just need to edit and you can just move this block to here. So these are the very good features are available with the SAP. So you can see here, there are the many more KPIs, message alerts. Once you log in, if there are any pending tasks, then message and alert system is there. My recent updates, if there are any open documents which needs to be, which needs to complete, then there are the open documents will be showing once you log in. Real-time data would be showing you how many are the today's new admission. So this is a registration user. You can see here, so he can see that bed occupancy ratio, new registration. So based on the user role and responsibility, you can define, you can create dashboards, pie charts, then process flows. Okay, so almost more than 300 reports we have already provided in this with the system, and as per your requirement, we can provide additional one. So this is how the you can see here different kind of reports for the clinical, for the finance, for the sales reports are there. And this is how the screen looks like. So patient registration. I would like to just give you the glimpse of the product. How does it look like? And if you need more in detail demo, then we can schedule a demo for you. So billing desk. For the patient portal, for example, if this is your website, then from here, it would be redirecting to the patient portal. So you can search doctor based on the specialty. So patient online, he can visit your website, he can check calendar, he can see which doctor is available. He can check his monthly, weekly, and daily calendar and book and slot. So very user-friendly, module or feature we have provided online. Medical history. If you would like to provide medical history online for the patient, then here you can see this patient already been visited for the 3 times. So that's where the visit level history patient can check online. So again, this is something demo system. So we have provided all the information, but as per your requirement, what information do you want to show online for a patient? That is something we can configure it and make it available online for the patients. For example, this is a medicine advice, test advice. Doctor has advised some reports, and if it is done, then patient directly through your website online, he can just go and check reports. So images also he can see. So all the reports will be available for patient to view. So this is about the medical, this is about the patient portal. We were talking about the C appointment. So your receptionist, she's sitting in a hospital, right? And patient is calling. So in that case, EMR. So this is how the doctor model looks like. For the doctor, we have provided dashboard like how many my today's patient. So he can, once he log in, he can see today's OPD, IPD patient weekly, monthly calendar, and accordingly he can see how many patients are for today for the OPD, for the IPD, and how many are today's appointments. So basically, the status of appointment scheduled for him for today, his IPD patient, OPD patient, and from here he can directly go to the OPD patient and see the record. So with this, many more features are there, like SMS, email, then PDF. You can convert any document into PDF, any screen into PDF. Uh, good features for the IT team, like they can change uh, they can rename, or they can change the layout, existing layout. So this is something like default, product deliver. And if you would like to hide any field, or if you want to change the layout, then there is a tool available which can be used by your IT team, and you can just move those fields, right? You can rename those fields. Now this is a document date, and if you want to say like this is a posting date, right? So this kind of a runtime, you can make the changes. Obviously, your IT manager will manage this, and you can hide a tab as well. So this is how tool is been provided by the SAP, where you can change any existing screens layout. You can hide fields or you can add fields new. And for this kind of this is very good feature provided by SAP. Same with like now for this report. If now this is a KPI, and later you want to make it a pie chart, or you want to change the graphical presentation of that report, then user they themselves can change the report layout as well. So this is a now column. Okay. So on the fly, I'm changing my report. You do not need to do any coding for this. It's very powerful tool provided by SAP. So this kind of reports you yourself can design, and this will save you a lot of cost. Murli, with this, I'm done with with the product presentation.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So thank you, Kalpana. So in fact, we understand that it is a quite comprehensive software, and it is very difficult to give the complete demo of the software in a very short span of time. But still, we tried to cover the main features and to give you feel of the product. We'll be happy to serve you individually, if you are really interested in looking for this product further, so we can take one to one with a separate communication, so that we can arrange the detailed demo for you. um, Kalpana, there was one question which, can you see it in Q&A? Then that we wanted to address that question. So, Mr. Ibrahim Saig wanted to know that how much flexibility is in the software and adaptable. For example, healthcare business has hemodialysis. Okay, can we?
Yeah, for the
Okay.
laboratory, we have for the hemodialysis, there is a process available. So if you'd like to see more, then we can schedule a demo and show you that.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, so Mr. Ibrahim, we can connect one to ones after the webinar, and we can, if you are interested, we can arrange a detailed demo for your organization separately. Uh,
Yeah, if anyone has any question, they can write in Q&A. Before that, I'm just launching poll. Please answer this quick. This will help us in second webinar. The poll is live. You can answer it. Poll has ended.
Yeah. Okay. So I think with this, we can close this webinar, Sarup.
Yes. If you
Okay.
if anyone has question, they can always write us at contact@craveinfotech.com. We will have to help you.
Yeah, you're requested to send us your queries at contact@craveinfotech.com and we will address you the same. So thank you very much for joining today's webinar and we look forward to interact with you further. Thank you so much.